こんにちは。Today we will learn another Japanese mimetic word. As we learned last time, mimetic words are words that mimic sounds, feelings, and senses. Today's mimetic word is pika pika. Pika pika describes something that shines or sparkles. This can be used for many things, such as something that is new or clean. For example, a sparkling clean sink, or a shiny new car. To learn more about today's mimetic word, read our video review notes. The link is in the description below. For more Japanese lessons, be sure to subscribe our channel. それでは次の授業でまた会いましょうね。